Hi, in this video we're going to create a landing page using Bootstrap. Bootstrap is the world's most popular framework for building mobile first websites, and it is an easy framework for people who have very less knowledge about CSS and HTML. So first we're going to go to the website getbootstrap.com and then copy the CDN, which is where the framework holds. And I'm using Sublime Text. I'll create the HTML boilerplate. Give the title landing page 1. Paste the CDN in the header. Now that we have that, first we need a navbar for the landing page. So let's go to Bootstrap navbar and see if we can find a good template that we can directly use. So since it's a very basic standalone landing page, we don't need any menu options, so I'm going to pick this one, and then I'm going to change the logo. Let's see how it looks. We need to change the background of the navbar and also move the logo a bit towards the right. So I'm going to edit the CSS. So Bootstrap gives a class called bg-dark, which gives a background color dark, and also I'm going to add a style tag and a margin. Yes, now let's take a look. Okay, the navbar looks good. Now we want a body. So if we go to the grid system, you can say that I'm using two columns with one for text and other for the form. So I'm going to be using this section to add a container and then a div to get a row. And then I would need two columns. So I'm going to remove the third one and then make this large, 6, 6. Now we will have two columns. We need to add some space above the container. So I'm going to add a margin to the top. Then I'm going to add some text in the first column. See how this looks. Okay, now I'm going to add a form over here. Bootstrap provides a lot of forms. I'm going to paste one of the forms that I had copied earlier. You can also use an iframe to add it here. Good. Now we need to make sure that this is responsive. Column. So the two columns stack against each other on mobile. Once that's concerned, now we need a footer. So I'm going to copy another footer which is provided out of the box in Bootstrap. So since this is a simple landing page, I'm going to copy this one. I'm going to paste it. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, I need to give it a background. So I'm going to do this by using style tags. Color, I'm going to do black, and text color. I also need to give it a margin to the space towards the bottom. So I'm going to do a margin of 200 pixels. And there you go. The landing page is complete. Now we can edit the text or add a different form or change the icons as per required in the code. Thank you.